Well, it might be a pain and causing travel chaos, but as Uba just mentioned, this weather is also bringing a lot of fun, especially for furry friends who got to have a fun snow day with their owners and people who wait for this weather. Photojournalist Ray Campos and Ren Clayton take us outdoors to catch up with Minnesotans enjoying the latest blast of winter.
On this steep hill under the towering silhouette of the St. Paul Water Tower. If you listen closely, you can hear it over the wind. Not the gusts, but the sound of childhood.
I loved when it was warm, but it's really fun when it's cold too and all snowy because there's so many things you can do in the snow.
It's like good snow right now to like make snowmans and stuff.
Kids and parents lined up one by one, sleds in hand and skis on feet, waiting for their turn to take on the hill.
We love to get outside, you know, because like a couple of days before when it was like 60 and there was no snow, we really loved like being out here. We get to, you know, get another opportunity, you know, to sled.
Because when you're young, a snowstorm isn't a problem.
We planned a sleepover so we could have like a late night sled. We just had so much fun last night, so we had to come back.
It's an opportunity to make memories.
You get like a bunch of like, you know, air time. Really, it's really fun.
And for the parents out there,
Makes me really happy because this is what I grew up doing, and you know, we'd be out here until we were soaking wet and freezing cold and fingers were turning blue, and you know, I get to see my son and his friends doing the same thing I did. It's great.
he says the kids have one thing in mind.
No, the kids have a wager. I think we're at 75 to 25 that we won't have school tomorrow.
With photojournalist Ray Campos,
Even my teachers were talking about wanting a snow day, but it's Minnesota, so.
Ren Clayton, WCCO News.
He just mentioned those teachers talking about a snow day. Well, Minneapolis Public Schools is declaring Monday a severe weather day. Pre-K through 5th grade will have no school tomorrow. Middle and high school students will have an e-learning day.